Alright, back. Did not want me looking up Trump stuff. Crashed the computer. $35K yesterday, yes. No, it was like 38. Oh, no, it wasn't actually. The Mexican started to move against me. Like, I was heavily in profit on the Mexican trades, right? God damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Shouldn't have got so greedy. Let's have a look at USD today. And Financial Times. Powered by Real Clear Politics. Maybe that's better. Jenny, what are you guys doing over there? Causing troubles. Polls, polls, polls. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. It crashed when I looked up Trump polls. Whole computer crashed. Might be time to upgrade. I've had the beast for so long though, I love it. You know, you just sometimes you get attached to computers. I don't want to have to set everything up. Yeah, that's just not working. Latest polls, blah blah blah. Clinton, Trump, LA Times. So general election with everyone, Trump's winning. General election, Trump versus Clinton. Clinton's still winning. But still, this is so much closer than it was before. Wow, some of these states have got Trump by heaps. Kentucky. What's going on in Kentucky? Kentucky, Missouri, Texas, North Carolina. What we're looking for here is new polls coming up, right? Where do we find those? Come on, where do we find those? I mean, even if Trump wins a popular vote, he may not win the actual election based upon how it works demographics, right? It's not that easy for him to win. Like these guys are still calling 259 before there are toss-up states. She only has to get to 270. Yeah, I mean, I can handle it if Trump wins Erebus, but I don't know if my trading account can. I'd have to adapt pretty quickly to a risk-off environment. There'll be a strong chance that they don't raise in December if volatility spike too, because they'll just want to see what happens next, right? They'll use it as an excuse. And I'm gonna give up if I can't find these polls soon. I just want to know, like, literally a couple of things. What polls count, and when are they coming out? Wow, these guys still think it's pretty close. I think Huffington Post is pretty liberal though. I mean, if they're saying just 98% chance. Alright, so this poll is going to be updated in about half an hour. I'll leave that open later. I'll have a look at it. So, but broadly, I mean, what we were talking about before is still in play here. We're watching elections now. We're watching US stock market reactions. We're watching headline risks. No, I was looking for the polls there, Trade Wizard. I want to know if there's a few polls coming out, big ones, say on the weekend, and which ones to watch. But I mean, this is a problem. I need to have a chat with a US trader. But yeah, I mean, that poll of polls is probably pretty good to keep watching. Easily get down below 103 here. This is dollar yen. That's really going to catch a few by surprise. This has been a pretty big, sharp move. I don't know. I'd be sniffing around underneath 103. Especially if we can get some nice 103 action, decent FOMC, decent NFP, back up into that trend. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not going to be too committed on any trade pre-election result. I'm going to be nimble and flexible if I trade at all. Broadly, Clinton winning, US going back to Fed, focusing on Fed rate hikes. Euro Aussie is a very nice sell for me, medium term. Stocks, start to sell again. I really like to sell into this next rally, or this rally here. But I'm not going to start selling, adding to that position anyway. Just yet. And obviously, Euro Swiss is attractive at these levels, but with broken key support. But yeah, I mean, Clinton wins, then it will go probably back into that 108, 109, 50 range. So yeah, it's not a bad way. It's actually a relatively safe way. With the Brexit, we didn't get that far. This is Brexit. So, 106.50. Trump is arguably less dangerous than Brexit short term to markets, but we'll see. So anything towards this one underneath 107 obviously is great risk reward. Put your stop at 105.50. Yeah, straight selling stocks is fantastic as well. Just short term, right? I don't know. I mean, yeah, the markets will freak out. 5 to 10%. But if the world doesn't end, then everyone will go back to buying dips, right? So yeah, expect some big movement, but don't get too crazy. Alright guys, so look, I'm going to do the NFP on Friday. I'll make sure the stream's all up and running nicely, won't crash. We'll go into pre-game NFP for about half an hour before. We'll look into what's going to be moving. Keep an eye out on the FOMC tonight. Should be basically what I said before. It should be just the data dependent, moving towards raising rates, and she might say something hawkish like the majority of members feel we are close to, we are in an environment where raising rates is acceptable. We've still got concerns about inflation, yada yada. That will be what will come out most likely. If she's surprisingly dovish, that would be a surprise. I mean, it's what they've done now is they've talked up December and the market price in December so much that it'd be really dangerous for them to push it or to lose optionality. So they don't want to gain optionality here. They don't want to gain, they're already at 70%, right? They're going to raise in December. They don't want to push it to 50-50. They want to make it like 80-90%, as long as data permits. So I suspect it's going to be a hawkish tint coming across on anything less than a hawkish tint on the FOMC will be a surprise. That's tonight. Your time. My time it's like 6 a.m., 5 a.m. Yeah, but definitely trade safe at the moment, guys. This is really hectic. This is fragile, and people get skittish on headlines, and you can't really prepare for headline news apart from making sure you have stops in there. I think my leverage is more than that. I think my leverage is 401 on this account. Oh, hey. You're bullish on the gold, are you, Potter? I don't know, mate. I don't know. Hey? Did you not get stung on the break? Want a round 2, do you? This is obviously critical, this whole resistance. 1300, 1310. If we're sitting here tomorrow and it's 1315, alright, yeah, you gotta respect that. But anyway, trade safe, guys, and I'll be back on for NFP.